Today we are going to learn how to perform a hypothesis test using two samples on the NumWorks graphing calculator. To begin, enter the inference application and select Tests. For this example, we will perform a two-sample t-test for a difference in means. Select Two Means. For tests with means, you will need to indicate the type of test. In most cases, we recommend a t-test. The first step of your test is to indicate the null and alternative hypotheses. For this example, we'll use a null hypothesis of mu1 minus mu2 equals 0 and an alternative hypothesis of mu1 minus mu2 is less than 0. Select Next. We now enter the relevant values from the samples. For the two-sample t-test, we enter the sample mean, sample standard deviation, and sample size for each sample. For this example, we'll use a sample mean of 128, standard deviation of 15, and sample size of 35 for the first sample, and a sample mean of 135, standard deviation of 12, and sample size of 30 for the second sample. We can also indicate the significance level. To change the significance level, click OK. Select Next. We now see the calculated values for this test, which include the t-test statistic, the p-value, and the degrees of freedom. Select Next. The final screen of our test provides a visual of our test statistic on our curve. For more tutorials, visit numworks.com.